Hey everybody, it's Sharon from Let's Get Down to Business Bootcamp. What the heck time is it? It's time for another episode of What the heck does that contract clause mean? So today we're going to talk about the notices clause. A notices clause is something you're going to find in every type of contract, and it's there because if you have to give an official notice or letter or information under a contract, each party needs to have the same understanding of where the notices are supposed to be sent or where they're going to receive them, how they're going to be sent, and when it's assumed that the notice was received. Because very often official notices have a time frame around them. You must do something within 30 days, or you only have 30 days from the day you receive a notice. So in a notices provision, it talks about these three things. The where is the location that notices should be sent to, which often is different than the home office of a company or the office of the company that signed a contract. Very often when you have multinational or multi-state companies, their offices in many places, but they want all the notices to go to the same department. So you have a notices provision that gives that address, and both parties will put that location in. The how is what methods are acceptable to deliver an official notice. The most common is nationally recognized courier or nationally recognized overnight delivery service, or you might even name FedEx or UPS or DHL. Often, facsimile is also accepted as well. Sometimes email is accepted, but usually for official notices, the party sending the notice wants to be able to track or have proof that the other side got the notice. So if you use something like a FedEx, you're going to get a delivery signature, or you can request one. And with the facsimile, you're going to get a delivery report saying that the fax went through. So that's the where. And the how. And the when is, if I send a notice today, when does the clock start running? So the when says something like, notices given by nationally recognized courier will be deemed or assumed to be delivered 3 days after deposit with the courier. Or a facsimile is assumed to be received upon transmission or upon receipt of a delivery report. Because once again, we always want to make sure contracts are clear and don't make more questions than the answer. So by knowing the where, when, and how, everybody knows that notices are going to be delivered in the same way. So I hope this was a little bit informative, and now you understand why we have a notices clause. All right, everybody, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.